I've been accepted to Hogwarts. I must get my things. I don't even have a wand. How's it going, everybody? I'm Brandon Peace, and today on TURKEYLEG TV, we're turning this piece of shit Daya wood into a wand, a wizard wand. So let's do it. Now that I'm done rounding off the sedua wood, I'm going to throw it into this chuck so that I can get a better grip on the wood. Boom. I think this is the shape we're going to go with for our wand. Now it's time to sand it down and then gloss it up. So let's do it. Wow, this turned out amazing. Now that it's done, it's time to cut it off and get a better look at this thing. So let's do it. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, tell me what you want to see in further builds, or tell me what you want to see me build next. Comment below if you like this wand slash candlestick replica. I love you. I'll see you next time. We're out of here. Peace.